work, mate. Day one.
Sure you want to hold my hand on that video?
Like this guy, like this.
No, we're good, we're good, we're good. It's a joke.
Like this.
Don't touch me.
Good morning guys, Wednesday 27th of December and we have finally made it to day one of our Kilimanjaro trek. Yesterday we checked out of our hostel. We were transferred here to Weri River Lodge where we did the briefing and the packing yesterday, ready for our tour to start today. So we are doing the 7-day LEMOSHO route, one of the more popular but less touristy routes. We opted to choose a 7-day longer trek. Because it increases your chances of making it up there, because one of the biggest factors why people don't make it up is altitude sickness. So, you know, I've done a few hikes myself, not to 6,000 meters, but a couple at 3.5, 4.5. But yeah, just to increase my chances and Gab's chances, we opted the longer route, and why not make the most of it rather than just trying to rush it up the mountain. So it's just about before 9 o'clock in the morning, a lot of tour vans here, including ours with Alteza Travel. We are going to get ready to make our way to the starting point. Today should actually be a relatively easy day. So first we're gonna go in, get checked in, double check all our gear, and it's gonna be a 4-hour drive up elevation. So right now we're just at maybe 800, 900 meters, but we're actually gonna elevate to 3,500 where we are gonna start. It's only gonna be about a 3.5 kilometer hike today, just to get used to 3,500. Maybe 2 hours or something like that. Nice and slow just to get acclimatized. But yeah, super excited. Haven't really thought about it since today. Just been making the most of soaking you know, Tanzania and Kenya up since we arrived. But yeah, now definitely starting to feel it. Definitely starting to feel, you know, what we are about to embark upon. Trying to get to the highest point of the continent of Africa. Just under 6,000 meters. 5,800 and something. Morning, how are you? Feeling good?
How are you?
Yeah, alright. How's yourself?
How was your stay since the last time you met?
Oh yeah, it was good. Marangu, we did the Ndoro waterfall, which is just in that area.
Oh.
And then we did the Chaga caves, the Chaga village, and the coffee.
Oh wow.
So that was a whole day.
George, where is he?
Gab. Oh no, I'm George. I'm George. I'm George.
And
Gab.
Gab, yeah.
Okay, I'll find him. Are we ready to go though?
Yes, we are.
Okay,
ready.
alright. And of course, Gab is nowhere to be found. All ready to go, and he's just tying his shoelace. Takes about 10 minutes to tie his shoelace. We'll be waiting for him to tie his shoelace, trust me. Watching and waiting Gab tie his shoelace is probably one of the most painful experiences you'll have in your life. Damn, 10 years old. That's crazy. One last one if it fits.
Hi.
Hello, Rashid.
Nice
George,
to meet you.
good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, George. Which one is your duffel bag?
It's this one. So here's my one and then Gab's one. That's a very unique name, Honest. I like it.
Yeah, very unique name, Honest.
You should transfer some to him.
If he had a tag like yours, it'd be called Idiot.
No.
We'll see you when we get back.
See you all the best.
See you in 7 days.
Which country are you from?
Ireland. I live in Australia.
Okay.
So everyone, this is my mate Gab.
Oh, what am I getting mixed right?
No, 100% I reckon you guys will make it up, and we're the ones that's gonna have problems. Yeah. No, we will.
No worries.
Hello guys.
Quick pit stop. This is one of our last chances to buy snacks and anything we would have missed. Quick PP stop as well, as they say. I got chips, biscuits. Oh no way, they got Oreos as well. 17,000 for dates, raisins, and Yeah, you gotta watch out for him at all times. He's gonna get lost.
So you're collectively the group's Instagram boyfriend?
Yes, I could try. Hey Jackson.
Nice to meet you guys. This man is really experienced, knowledgeable, so you can just ask anything. All questions are here.
Thank you.
Guys, feel free, enjoy a moment. We are one family from now.
Have a rice, it is a beef, this is a vegetable sauce, it is a fish.
Thank you. Alright, we just made it here to our lunch stop. A couple of hours, I think, drive from where we were, and we are at Londorosi Gate. Londorosi Gate, and we have already elevated to 2,250 meters, which is pretty much the highest point of Australia already. The highest point of Australia is 2,228 meters. But as you can see, one of the main points here, lots of other travel companies stop here as well, not just Alteza. And yep, lots happening. 20 is the highest? Yeah. So these are not just the supplies for the hikers, these are also for the food. There is a limit for each porter to carry up, so everything they're carrying up, yeah, I think it's 20 kilos. Alrighty, just past 2 p.m. and we have made it to the start of our trek for day one at the Moran picnic site, 3,470. The elevation on my watch is a little bit off. It says 3,238, so let's just baseline it. It's about 180 meters off. But yeah, it's definitely a few degrees colder. I'd say mid-20s, maybe like 26, 25. It's a big difference from down the bottom, so time to get our jackets out. These guys are really kitted out. They've even got chairs and tables. Ain't their first rodeo. So we are here at the Shira Plateau. This is where we are gonna walk through this afternoon. Check that out. Alright, so we are well on our hike now, trying to get used to 3,500 meters. I could definitely feel the shortness of breath up here. You know, it's not too bad when you're walking nice and slow over the plateau through the flats, but if you're having a conversation, I've definitely noticed shortness of breath. But overall, not too bad. Beautiful weather up here, nice and sunny. Got our layers on, nice and windy, nice and cool. Just perfect for day one of our trek. Oh man, that was a mouthful. Damn, some steep gorges here. Gotta go down the valley and then back up to the other side. Is this a clean stream to drink from?
This is water from underneath from Mount Kilimanjaro.
Oh, right, groundwater.
Spring water.
Oh, spring water. Yeah, so you could drink this?
Clean. For us, we can drink. For you?
For me, no. I don't think.
For us?
So just to put 3,500 meters into perspective, which is where we started, Mount Apo in the Philippines, highest point of the Philippines, is 2,954 meters. Mulhacen in Spain, the highest point in Spain, which was, you know, quite a difficult trek. The peak of that was 3,482 meters. Mount Fuji in Japan, highest point in Japan, 3,776, so just a little bit higher than where we are now. Kota Kinabalu in Malaysia, highest point in Malaysia, 4,095 meters, which is also a little bit higher, one of the very few that I've done which is higher than where I am now. And then Mount Rinjani in Indonesia during my Southeast Asia trip. 3,726 at the peak, so similar altitude to this. The highest one which I did was Pico de Orizaba in Mexico. Probably the most difficult one I've done to date, and that was 5,675. So yeah, as you can see, all the mountains I've climbed, and I'd like to think of all this experience it would help me for this. If not, there's nothing much more I could do. Another valley. Good work, mate. Day one.
Sure you want to hold my hand on that video?
Like this guy, like this.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. It's a joke.
Like this.
Don't touch me.
Do you feel that at all, or all good?
I feel it.
It's when, yeah, obviously when you're
push,
stepping up, and
yeah,
also when you're talking, conversations.
Yeah, so be
After.
quiet. Shh. Shut up, George.
All right,
I like on day 3 they were like, just don't talk, and I was like, that is not something I know how to do. The like summit porters are coming up with us and singing, don't sing, and I was like, but if they sing Hakuna Matata, there's a dance I know.
You know, Maria, she went, when she goes to Dubai, right? She lived in Dubai. She went to Wollongong University in Dubai.
And it's one of the best. Feed it. Alright, we have now made it to Shira Camp 1. Shira Camp 1 at, what's this, 3,610 AMSL. So it's 4 o'clock now. I think we left at 2:30, so just a quick hour and a half trek today. Nice and easy, just to try to get used to 3,500. That is the end goal. Uhuru Peak, 33 kilometers, 25 hours from this point. You checking it out? Yeah, that seems good. That's all you need.
Perfect.
Something nice to sit on, privacy from the wind.
Yeah, that's all you need. Luxury.
So we made a last minute decision for the toilets. 250 USD if you want one of these, and you can share it with a maximum 3 people. So about 83 USD each. It was really more for this guy than anyone. Alright, let us check this out. Sick. This is our crib. How nice is this? Oh man, it was cold and windy outside, and it's nice and comfortable in here. How good is this? So as you can see, they brought up your big duffel bag with all your stuff in it, and also these nice little mattresses, cushion. My bag was pretty heavy. Definitely brought way too much water, plus my food. So gonna definitely transfer some of this into the big bag. Alright, so this is our area here, the Rhino area, and this is our base tent. Man, they have got this kitted out. What's up, man? Oh, look at this. We are living in luxury up on this mountain. This is the meal area and hangout spot. What have we got? Potatoes, vegetable something, okras with carrots. This is anyone I like.
It's better for
Alrighty, I think that is gonna be it for day 1. We have just finished dinner and changed now to all my fleece gear, and let me just say, how worth it is it to buy all the new fleece gear. They have also provided a hot water bottle here. That's definitely gonna really help with sleeping nice warm tonight, because it is freaking cold. It is cold outside and it feels cold in the tent as well. So just gonna unpack the sleeping bag here and yeah, call it a night. It is about 8:30 now, so wake up call tomorrow is at 6 o'clock. So yeah, I'll go through the plan for tomorrow. It's gonna be another big day, but if you want to find out what that is, I guess we'll just have to tune in for tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.